Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we're going to talk about this, which is the PLMRB65. This is Pyle's wake style board speaker system. Now it gets used on everything. People are buying it from their golf carts to their ATVs and quads, anywhere that they have, something close to a 1.5-inch pipe mount to it. So again, if you want, put it on a pontoon boat, which is very popular. People use it on their regular boats, sailboats, all kinds of stuff. With this speaker, it's not necessarily where but it's how, right? It's a 200 watt peak power speaker. So that means I'm going to plug it into an amp that's got 100 watts per channel. I wouldn't run this straight off of a head unit or a radio, simply because it takes a little bit more energy to get this speaker going. So anything like a small power amp, that would probably be the best way to get it. Also, if you're going to get it, maybe you get 2 sets of them. If you really try to make some noise, 4 is better than 2. Nice part is waterproof for sure, all of it. 6.5-inch two-way driver, so it's a woofer and a tweeter into this unit. The bracket isn't plastic. It's all metal up here with 3 screws to bolt it all down. Push down connections for your speaker wires located in the back. And again, I've taken these apart. I've seen inside of it. It is all packed with dampening materials. So this way, we're not going to get a weird, funky sound out of the box versus the sound we're going to get out of the front of the unit. Are they worth it? Absolutely worth it, because they're a fraction of the price of some of the other brands. Now, again, if you're going to use this on the back of a big power boat and you're thinking, somebody who's water skiing off the back is going to listen to this, you're not going to buy these speakers. They're good for nice quality listening, and they do play awfully loud. But when you're actually water skiing and you've got 3 engines on the back of your boat wailing away, you're not going to hear 2 or 4 of these particular speakers. You're going to need to spend way over $1,000. So, but if you're looking for recreational products, something to have fun with, if you can't cut a hole in your boat or wherever you're going to install it, this is a great way to go. If you're going to use it in an ATV or a quad and they're going to be right behind you, this is a lot of volume to put out. And again, people do stack these up. They do get 4 of them. They put them all over the place. I mean, they're very practical because they're very affordable. Doesn't mean they're cheap or cheap quality. Again, like I said before, the craftsmanship, it's amazing how much you get for so little of an investment. They do come with rubber paddings inside of here to reduce the actual gap. You can, of course, be creative with it. That's up to you. If you actually did take the cover off by taking off the first 4 screws in the front here, you can even remove the bracket if that's what you choose to do. But that's an option. Now, that pretty much wraps up this video here. I really do like these speakers as long as they're getting used for the right, proper use. Remember, put them anywhere you want. Expect to get really good sound out of it. If the boat's not running, if it's a big power boat, you're going to enjoy the sound. And they just look cool. I mean, they're not bad at all. And you can even get them in white. So also note, you can get these in an 8-inch version. So if you want even bigger than this, the 8-inch might be the way to go. We've got a separate video that covers that particular piece itself, not far from what you're listening to right now. It's just really size, and those ones have a little bit more power. Well, I hope this video helped you out in your buying decision today. Maybe we'll see you in the next video. I'd like to say thank you for watching, and bye for now.